The sky forgets its color, so I remember mine. The afternoon loosens its grip, time leans against the wall. Raindrops stitch the silence between what I was and what I didn't call. Windows breathe in silver, streets something low. Every thought I folded up starts learning how to float. When the city exhales slowly, I hear myself at last. Some feelings only surface when the future feels like glass. Rainy day reveries, drifting where I can't be seen. Softest truths I never say. Let me dissolve, let me stay. Rainy day reveries, no answers, just clarity. If the world forgets my name, I'll remain in the rain. Cups half full of cooling hours, letters never sealed. Almost every ache feels suddenly unreal. Footsteps blur into reflections, everyone moves on. I'm learning how to sit with things that never felt that wrong. Light bends through the quiet, like it's afraid to speak. Some days don't ask for fixing, they just ask you not to leave. Rainy day reveries, lingering honesty. Nothing bright, nothing brave, just the shape of yesterday. Rainy day reveries, held between debris. If tomorrow calls my name, I'll answer, not today. Maybe peace is temporary, like a hand on my shoulder. The sky keeps falling gently, as if it knows me older. Rainy day reveries, teach me how to breathe again. In the quiet afterthought, I'm more than what I lost. Rainy day reveries, let the hours move through me. When the clouds finally part, I'll carry this calm in my chest. The rain forgets its reason,